Right, Evan is chasing Nate. I know. Where did he go? Tigger! Here, Tigger, Tigger, Tigger! Oh, ruh-roh. Tigger! Where'd you go? Ah! It's Tigger! Run, Nate, run! Tigger's coming to get you! Nate, he's showing you it's really at him. Evan, can you turn around and wave? Say hi! Yay, Tigger! Yay, Tigger got a goal! Tigger, where's your hat? You can put your hat on? You gotta put the hat on. Nate, let him put the hat on. There you go.
You gotta send all these pictures to everybody.
Having trouble? There we go. Look, it's Tigger. Nate, don't throw the ball at him. Alright, I gotta make pancakes.